Welcome to the Brook Railroad, and we have a gondola car full of boxes here. This is the 1001 gondola, and I built this in 2010. And I've spent the last 2 years off and on, mostly off, restoring it. It's still not completely done. I had to replace the end of the car, and I had parts left over from building the last batch of these, so I could grab a car end, and I made the gunnels and everything else. Looks like it's been damaged already, but these things happen, so I'll have to glue that back on. Well, it's a character mark, that's what it is. Well, all the other character marks all over this plywood gondola. Plywood is a wonderful material, by the way. Lasts a good long time. It's good, strong. It's actually stronger than regular wood because it's cross-grained. So anyway, I built a dozen of these and shipped them all over the country, and I kept one, and I sold it off, the whole car, and it came back to me in pieces. So spent the last couple of years kind of freshening it up, and we're going to use it for bringing these boxes up to the burn pile first. And I'm not sure what else we're going to use it for. Not too much, because it's definitely not finished. It needs to be painted, and I don't want to mess it up too much before I do that. So, also I need to put some steel sheeting on the inside, on the bottom, to kind of keep it from deteriorating. So anyway, that's the Brook 1001.